Vaultline is a unified financial data API that gives you access to forex rates, crypto prices, stock quotes, and precious metals, all through a simple, consistent interface. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. So create an account and head to the dashboard. Now you can see the simple dashboard that we have for all our users. We have showcasing the current plan, the number of API calls, history access for how much data that you can pull, billing and subscription, and managing your API keys. So let's try to generate one and see how easy that is. So from here you can see I've already created two API keys, but deleting one is also super easy. Just revoke the key and it's gone. Next, let's try generating one. We have a label. You don't need a label. And from here you can see that we create many API keys with VL underscore and then 64 characters. Make sure you copy this key as you won't be able to see it anymore. And from there, you have created your API keys. Now let's do a quick walkthrough of the code that you'll have to use. So with this in the documentation, you'll find that we have this client that you have to run depending on the language. And this is just loading our vaultline class and also our vaultline error class. And from this, you can export it into all your different files, but after this, you will not need more code than this. So let's see what we have here. We're loading a client and we have our API key and the URL of where we're pulling from. And from there, we want to get the rates. And so let's do that. And so now you can see the JSON object that was loaded, exactly what we need, Bitcoin to USD, and that gives us here 70,328. And then we have Ethereum to USD, which is right over here, 2064.68. And so this is super easy to use and it's really easy to store JSON objects. But let's see how much easier it gets. So from here, we can just import the class. When we run here, we can see and we want our rate limits. Let's run this. And this shows us that our rate limit is 0, meaning that we have unlimited and we don't have to worry about it in our current plan. This is a time reset in Unix timestamp. And now let's try here. Let's see. Let's get all the assets we want. Simple, easy code, 9 lines of code. From here, we can get everything that's available in our service right now in our database. It shows us that we have 11 symbols for conversions for Forex, and then we also have 10 different stocks that we can pull from right now while we're currently expanding our database.